community, culture, and human influence strengthen our lives. I'm incredibly grateful to serve as the chair of the Parliament of Trinity Tibet, seeking my friend and colleague, Mr. Moran, and also overseeing programs for our young people who serve such a vital role in all of us. Seeing their contributions and the dedication of my youth for the Tibet Long Day recently in June was truly inspiring. These young Tibetans who hold the holiness and values in their hearts, carrying over the important Tibetan cause passed down by the older generation. Their commitment gives me hope for the future. I greet you today when you can all see the progress you again clearly with your loved ones in a place for that. It is a continuous honor to work with and learn from the Tibetan community, witnessing your traditional dances, deep cultural heritage, the delicious locals, and paramount.
Tunga Dalai ani samololya testele shirai ani kyangor buche ani rawi korwe shingam so pena de wa manu jungwe ne chere so watenzi gyadoi shabe side photo temba show che molam ge sude ani ngazo tunga de tani gasu tendele ya suwa chegu she kuchana
Sama just the naming la sangmoi
Nyemin Kusenhi,
and Toma de la ne konsa kyangwe shimbo chola ani chunga ngin la ne samdi just de shue yin ra ta na onzo de chokpa de onzo shenge chokpa de ini inge thone ani onzo youth led non-profit organization ra ta nganzo gi mi zo di kari issue na ta pebe chi zo mixe Toronto pebe chi zo mixe Toronto pebe chi zo na lo la ani cha chubu ta nganzo rickshaw nyar ta che to nganzo chokpa di go chu wa yin ani digara yin da thari del ne kyush rai la so tijna
What are they talking about now? You know what I feel is that these friends that research program. It's really work towards their heart and each other being what you exist today. She's in a
ready? Just today, some of the gaming tenzing away. Sari dela ya chunga la zo big sari sopa ki GCM things shiva dia nitong subshi the Toronto la soya re. You know, the table so nishayo ticket anda advance yona go nishui. Kesi number so shender no ne thona ngazo dela shender ki list ye team ngazo thado chuchi yerwe chuna course diche. Only the number so some of the movie ni gapyo na thoji che.
Hello everyone, my name is Saya.
My name is Sandon Cardell.
And we are SFT Toronto. We're here today at His Holiness Dalai Lama's birthday celebration at TCC, and we're selling chubas to fundraise for our organization. Make sure to come by and support. Yes.
Today, Ontario Pimelen Zongene, Annie Jorum Chekui Chungarla, Ne Jorum Chekui Purchasing Watan, Annie Kuse Shabet and Bemelam Shugu.
Yeah.
I just want you to help.
Yeah, inside.
No, man. Can't pay it now.
Terus le. Jauh mbak. YouTube jauh bertanya. Terus le. Terus le. Terus le. 색깔도 지도 거예요. 이런 거예요.
오늘 또 하겠습니다. 또 연도가 선택했어요.
Jadi kami
Good afternoon, good afternoon. Let me start by saying it's always a privilege to be here in this room with all of you, particularly on such an important day. I want to acknowledge and thank my colleague, Mr. Reed, for being here. Deputy Chief, you and your colleagues, thank you for joining us today for a very special meeting. My provincial counterpart, Minister Ford, my local friends and colleagues,
the price there. This one, the
Thank you for being here today, along with Weston. Thank all of these guys too. See how anxious they are? Oh, that's great. Look, we're here to celebrate the 89th birthday of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. It's a day of immense significance as we honor nearly 9 decades of wisdom, compassion, and unwavering commitment to peace. I want to extend my deepest gratitude to the organizers, our President, Sonam Lankar, a dedicated man, Selvan Kunga, our passionate cultural and volunteer coordinator, and all the talented performers and volunteers, including those who tirelessly working in the kitchen, preparing the delicious meals and food, including my personal favorite, our momos, of course. And everybody else, because a lot of people, as you all know, it goes into making an event like this happen. His Holiness once said, "The root of all goodness lies in the soil of appreciation." These words have a special place in my heart. Every day I am grateful for the wonderful community we have here in Etobicoke Lakeshore. It is really a true honor to represent your voices in Ottawa. His Holiness's teachings remind me that compassion and kindness are the most powerful forces in the world. I remember when the Tibetan Center in Toronto was just a small haven for the Tibetan community. Today it has grown into a vibrant hub of cultural expression, sports, and religious events. And I'm happy to hear that the recent $1 million federal funding under the Green and Inclusive Community Buildings Program, the center will be able to further transform the community hall and add 7 new rooms for programs and activities, new storage spaces, energy efficient enhancements throughout the building. This journey reflects the strength and resilience of the Tibetan community, people here in Toronto, guided by the wisdom and kindness of His Holiness. Today we celebrate not only the 89 years that His Holiness has graced this world, but also the many more years to come. We all share a deep sense of gratitude for His life and His teachings. This day is a celebration of His life, a celebration of unwavering strength, and a celebration of our collective spirit to continue to fight for peace, justice,